Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate a prepaid service or prepaid SIM card on Telstra. So first you just need to search for that activate like this. Actually you can search for activate Telstra prepaid SIM card and you will find this page here. As soon as you click on it, or you can just go with the prepaid activation here, so you will find this page directly like this one here. So or you can find this page where you will find prepaid SIM activation, and you can just click on this activate now button here and you will find the activation page where you have to just follow the prompted steps here. You just need to go through the all the 6 steps here properly for getting activated your SIM card that from Telstra. So first option is, the first step is SIM details. So you have to enter the SIM serial number where you will get this serial number. When you buy a Telstra SIM card, then you will find a SIM serial number at the back side of your SIM card package here, or packaging, or in the SIM card tray, SIM tray, you will find that serial number also. So you can just enter that serial number here. It should be 13-digit number. Then tap on check serial number, then it will check for the serial number and it should be a valid serial number that is still unactivated. So then the second option is service details. So you have to enter that service detail, that your phone, this SIM phone number and the location and something personal details actually. Then ID details, then you have to enter the ID details that you are verified yourself when you are buying a SIM card, like your a national ID card or driving license or passport. Then the contact details, you have to enter your personal contact details like your address and the secondary your mail address or your secondary phone number. Then you have to recharge a certain amount through your SIM to activate your SIM. Then you have to review all of that order and the recharge amount and the details about your SIM, and then you have to complete the payment process for that Telstra SIM, and it will just immediately activate your SIM card. So that's how you can just easily activate prepaid SIM card on the Telstra. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.